Hi everyone. Holiday season is coming and I wanted to make something quick and tasty, so I whipped up these honey glazed carrots. They have a touch of curry powder for a pop of flavor, so let's jump right in. We don't need too many ingredients to make these carrots, but first we need to peel them. And an easy kitchen hack is to peel onto a paper towel so the cleanup is fast and easy. Now to cut the carrots, we run into an issue of them being different sizes, so we're going to do an oblique cut. All we have to do is cut the carrots on a bias and turn a quarter turn and repeat. This is the easiest way to get these all close to the same size with minimum waste. It's not about having a perfect cut, just getting them close to the same size so they cook evenly. So now it's time to cook the carrots, and we start with some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Then we add our carrots and cook them until they start to caramelize. Once they're caramelized, we can season with salt, pepper, and a little bit of curry powder. And this is the brand of curry powder that I like to use for Asian-inspired dishes. Then we add our stock and butter. We just need to simmer this until the carrots are almost tender, and you can check this by using your spoon to see if you can cut right through it, which is about 5 to 8 minutes. Then we can add our honey and keep cooking this until we have a nice glaze on our carrots. If you like almonds like I do, now is a great time to add them, but you can leave them out if you want. And don't worry if you over-reduce the glaze, you can just add a touch of stock to bring it back to the thickness that you like. At this point, they're done cooking. The carrots are tender and we just need to plate them. And I have a few hoshigaki left from last year, so I'm going to slice them and add them to this. A good substitute for the hoshigaki would be dates if you don't have any. A few parsley leaves to make it look pretty. Honey glazed carrots with almonds, curry, and hoshigaki. The carrots are tender, sweet from the honey, and a little spice from the curry powder. The texture from the almonds and the hoshigaki just put it over the top. These are a great side dish to serve with roasted chicken, or even better as a Thanksgiving side with your turkey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.